In this video, we're giving tiramisu an orange-flavored makeover that is absolutely to die for. Instead of coffee, we're soaking ladyfinger cookies in fresh squeezed orange juice. And rather than using eggs, the luscious cream layers are made with velvety mascarpone cheese and whipped cream. The best part? This orange tiramisu couldn't be easier to whip up. It's the perfect make-ahead dessert to wow your friends and family. Let's get started. Start by making the cream. With a spatula, cream the mascarpone with half of the sugar in a bowl. Now add the grated orange zest of 1 or 2 oranges to taste and mix to incorporate it into the mascarpone cream. In another bowl, whip the cream with the remaining icing sugar until stiff peaks form. Fold the whipped cream into the mascarpone cream in batches, using an upward motion to avoid deflating the mixture. Refrigerate while squeezing the oranges. Cut the oranges in half and squeeze out the juice. Strain the juice through a fine mesh sieve to obtain a clear liquid. You need about 1 liter of filtered orange juice. Put half the juice in a shallow dish to soak the ladyfingers and refrigerate the other half for the orange jelly later. Now you can assemble the tiramisu. Spread a thin layer of mascarpone cream on the bottom of a baking dish. If you desire, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of amaretto liqueur to the orange juice and mix well. The liqueur is optional, so omit it if making a kid-friendly version. Roll the ladyfingers in the orange juice, turning often so they soak up the liquid and become soft. Arrange them in a single layer, covering the entire base. Trim the ladyfingers as needed to fit without gaps, following a pattern. Cover with a generous layer of the mascarpone cream and continue layering soaked ladyfingers perpendicular to the bottom layer, then top with more cream, stopping 2 mm below the edge to contain the jelly before it sets. Freeze the tiramisu for 1 hour, then prepare the orange jelly. Soak gelatin sheets in cold water for 10 minutes, then drain and collect in a bowl with a few tablespoons of orange juice. Heat in a saucepan until dissolved, then mix into the remaining orange juice. Remove the tiramisu from the freezer and gently pour the orange juice jelly over the top. Refrigerate for at least 2 to 3 hours to allow the jelly to set. Then cover the tiramisu and refrigerate for at least 6 hours, or overnight if you can. Place the tiramisu in the freezer 1 hour before serving. When you're ready to serve, garnish with orange wedges or grated orange zest for a gorgeous presentation. Enjoy!